Angelina! Kong Angelina! Ores! Ores! Ha! Kong Angelina! Kong Angelina!
Like at this moment, I remember my father, late father, telling me about how Dominic Kala, who was a young brother that time, he was a choir leader during my mother and father's marriage. That was the first memory. A very, very happy memory, I can say. Of course, apart from that, there so many other occasions and Bishop and I have, Archbishop and I have always with each other. And I share a lot of enthusiasm. He's been somebody who has inspired me always, somebody who has guided me always in very difficult situations. He has been somebody that the state has always looked up to in very difficult times. And he's always provided that guardianship, leadership that is required. So I think it's not just a loss for the church, for the people of the state as well. Normally that happens that time. But of course, it's an important aspect for us, and the person who is contributing to the mission. So, in a very befitting manner, very strict. What about side? We will do.